Welcome back. So let's try and add our first property in the customer. I'm going to write, it's going to be a string. It's going to call it first name like I just showed you below. Whoa, that was cool. First name like this, that's going to be the name of the property. And then all you need to do in the .NET language, and this is a lot different than Java, I just need to put a getter and a setter. Now I've actually created my first property. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Now that pretty much means that this property is now available for use. Let's try and make another property, but in a different way. I'll write prop as property. I'll double tap, and it actually asks me how I want to build this, and I'm going to put in string again, like this, and I'm going to put in the last name like this. Notice it pretty much just helped me complete the code, and there's one very important thing here, which is the public modifier here. So I'll just add that to the other one as well, and then next lesson we'll try and talk about that. The last one I need is the address. I'll write property again. I'll double tap, and again, let's say that this was something that was a number. I would just keep int here instead, or double, or boolean, or whatever this would be. But again, this is a string, and again the name is going to be address, and there we go. Now we have our properties, which pretty much means that I can now create a customer class that can actually contain information about a customer's name, first name, last name, and address, if I want to do that. This is not quite running yet, and next lesson I'll try and talk about these modifiers right here that explains availability of these different properties. See you in the next lesson.